Welcome to this self-love guided meditation. Once you've made yourself comfortable, I'd like to invite you to just gently close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in, deeper than you've taken all day so far. As you exhale, allow yourself to focus on the sound of my voice, allowing it to ground you in the present moment. And while you focus on the sound of my voice, I'd like to also invite you to give yourself permission to focus on you, on yourself, as you listen to the sound of my voice, making yourself priority. There's nowhere else that you need to be. There's nothing else you need to be doing in this moment except giving yourself a little bit of time for your own well-being. And now, taking 3 deep breaths in from your nose and out from your mouth, allowing each breath to be a little deeper than the one before. Feeling your lungs expand and feeling your entire body relax as you exhale. Let your breath return to the natural rhythm and allow yourself to continue focusing on the journey of your breath, moving throughout your entire body, feeling it flow in and out of your muscles and your cells, and allowing it to still you and ease any tension or tightness you may be feeling in this moment. We'll start by bringing the awareness to the upper body. From your stomach to the crown of your head, feeling into these areas, noticing any tension or tightness, and breathing into those areas to help release the tension and the tightness. And as you do this, if you notice any judgments arise, gently allow gratitude and appreciation to replace those judgments for the next minute. Now, I'd like you to turn your attention to the lower half of your body, everything from your hips all the way down to the tips of your toes. Breathing into them. We all have parts of our body that we wish were different. So for the next minute, again, notice any judgments that may arise and allow the judgments to transform into a sense of gratitude and appreciation for the next minute. The third part of our practice together today is to invite you now to recall other parts of yourself that you've held in judgment in the past. Maybe a thought pattern or a behavior you've exhibited. Maybe it was a choice you made. Or something you said you wish you could take back. Maybe a time where you felt you could have handled something better. Look at it from a place of total curiosity. Watch the judgment arise and watch the stories that come up that you've told yourself about the situation. As both judgment and the stories will arise, and then gently let them go and offer yourself forgiveness, knowing that you were doing the best you could at that time. I invite you now to go deeper into this meditation as we move to the silent part where we're going to sit together or continue on the journey on your own, recalling any parts of yourself that you've held in judgment and giving them unconditional tenderness, acceptance, and forgiveness for the next few minutes. And if nothing arises, allow yourself to just sit, be still, and enjoy the being without the doing. As you continue to breathe with your eyes closed, allow your attention to return to my voice. When we judge ourselves or judge parts of ourselves, we hold them separate from us. And if we're holding parts of ourselves separate, then we cannot feel whole. Real love is holding our light with the darkness, of loving those parts of ourselves unconditionally we previously held in judgment. No one else can do this for us. Give yourself all the love you need. It's inside of you. Once again, I'd like to invite you now to take 3 deep breaths together. This time, we'll hold the breath for a few seconds and then exhale out. You're welcome to follow my guidance or do this on your own. Inhale deeply, hold it, and gently exhale out from your mouth. Once again, take an even deeper breath than before, feeling that breath flow through all of your muscles and cells. Hold your breath, and then gently exhale out. And taking a third deep breath in if you haven't already. Sending the oxygen, the nourishing oxygen, all the way down to the tips of your toes. And then hold your breath. And then gently exhale. Feel the breath traveling back up your body. And visualize it reaching the crown of your head. Return your breath to whatever is comfortable. You're welcome to count down from 5 to 1. And then open your eyes whenever you feel ready. Thank you for joining me for this meditation and giving yourself the gift of self-love. Namaste.